Sa mga unta ninyo, yan na po nagamang pagkaon arang lamia by chef. Butang na ito yan. Diba? Butang na ito asin. He's nothing. And pepper. Kasi pag nagluto siya, walang asin. No salt in front cook. And I like to have a lot of spices. This is salmon with mozzarella and how is it right now?
Good.
Arang lamia.
Oh. Do you like? There's inside some onions.
Onions. ¿Qué más?
I think it was whipped cream. And not so much. Simple cook.
Why don't we open a restaurant?
Yeah.
Because you really like, you invented a lot of food. Chinchin naman. Okay. Plus white wine. Oh!
El vino que cogemos es el barreño. This wine is
It's good for when you eat fish, no?
al barreño. Yeah, that's a good wine for fish that we take here in Spain. Very good wine. I think it's not so known outside of Spain, and really it's a pity because it's very nice.
Ano kayo?